Do your gums bleed when you brush? Or do you feel your mouth smell bad even after brushing? These are the signs of gum disease, a very common but often ignored dental problem. And here's the shocking part. Gum diseases doesn't just spoil your teeth, but they also affect your heart, diabetes, sugar levels, and your pregnancy health. In this video, I'll explain in the simplest possible way what gum diseases are, why they happen, how to spot it early, and most importantly, how to prevent it. In this video, I'll tell you that gum diseases aren't just about your teeth. Most people think visiting a dentist is just about having cavities or a toothache. But believe me, gums are as important as your teeth. Think of gums as a soil that holds a tree. If the soil is weak, the tree cannot stand strong. Same way, gums are weak, your teeth may fall out. Now, gum diseases simply means infection of gums. It usually starts with a thin layer of plaque, which is a thin layer of bacteria that deposit on your teeth each and every day. If plaque not cleaned properly, it slowly and gradually hardens into tartar, that yellowish black and brown deposits on your teeth. This tartar can easily irritate your gums, making them red and swollen. Now, there are two stages of gum diseases. First, gingivitis, which is a mild and early stage, in which you can see bleeding on brushing and red and swollen gums. But there is usually no effect on the bone health. Secondly is the periodontitis stage, which is an advanced stage. In this, the gums gently starts pulling away from teeth. Teeth may become loose and bone health is also affected adversely. So you can think of it like this. Gingivitis is the early sign, but periodontitis is the real trouble. Now you might be thinking, I brush each and every day, so how can I get gum diseases? But here's the thing. Plaque is a little sneaky. It might build up in places where toothbrush is missed, such as in between the teeth or along the gum line. Now that's where flossing comes into importance. Diabetes. Uncontrolled sugar levels makes gum problems worse. Hormonal issues like menopause, PCOS or premenopause makes gums extra sensitive. Diet also plays a major role. Vitamins, especially vitamin C, is a very important factor for gum health. Stress lowers immunity and also adversely affects your gum health. Genetics also play a role. Some people are just more prone to gum problems. So gum diseases are not just about brushing. They're about your overall health and lifestyle too. The tricky part? Gum diseases are usually painless in the beginning. That's why many people tend to ignore it until it's too late. Stages of gum disease. Now let's understand this like levels of a game. Level 1. Healthy gums. Pink, firm and no bleeding. Level 2. Gingivitis. Gums look red, bleed on brushing and are reversible when treated early. Level 3. Mild periodontitis. Small pockets are formed and gums start pulling away from your teeth. Level 4. Moderate periodontitis. Deeper pockets, bone loss and teeth become shaky. So if you catch it at level 2, you win. But if you wait till level 5, it becomes painful, expensive and sometimes irreversible. Now here's how we fix it at Real Tooth. Early stage, simple scaling and cleaning plus good home care, completely cured. Moderate stage, deep cleaning needed, which is known as scaling and root planing. Removal of plaque and tartar under your gums. Advanced stage, we may need bone graft, bone replacement surgeries or even replacement of missing tooth. Brush twice a day with a soft toothbrush. Use floss or interdental floss daily. Rinse your mouth with an antibacterial mouthwash. Intake of diet which is rich in veggies, fruits and especially vitamin C. Avoid smoking and excess sugar. Manage your medical health conditions like diabetes and PCOS. Visit your dentist every 6 months or so. If you follow these golden rules, you're completely free from any types of gum diseases. Now you might wonder, it's just gum diseases. How can it affect my body? Well, research shows gum diseases are linked to various medical conditions. Heart diseases. Bacteria from the oral cavity can easily enter the bloodstream and affect your heart health. Diabetes. Gum diseases can irreversibly make your sugar levels harder to control. Pregnancy issues like low birth weight or premature delivery. PCOS and hormonal issues. Irregular hormonal levels can adversely affect your gum health, and your gum health can also, in a cyclic way, worsen your hormone levels. So, your gums are not just about your smile, they affect your overall health and personality. So, the next time you see bleeding while brushing, don't think, oh, it's normal. Bleeding gums are never normal. It's your body's way of saying, please take care of me. So if you act early, you can save your gums, your smile, and your overall health also. So visit your nearest Real2 Dental Clinic and book your gum health checkup today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and family, and don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share button.